Hi, what is up, everyone? This is Aram Dela. I want to say a happy new year to each and every one of you. I'm super excited about what 2026 has to offer us. This also marks another year to the number of years that I've been trading on the market. In this particular video, I want us to be talking about a couple of things that we should be thoughtful and look up to as to how we want to move the year in 2026. If you're a trader and you've been trading for years now, I really want to tell you something that regardless of the plans that you've written down, nothing is going to change until you decide to lock in, until you decide to make a change truly for yourself. And I always tell people, and this is one of my favorite quotes, you hear me say it over and over again, that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Last year there were some patterns you took that made you unprofitable. If you follow those same patterns, nothing is really going to change. So what is going to change this year? First off, education. You really want to educate yourself. You don't want to be lying to yourself. You could get caught in the act of thinking you're educating yourself by watching random YouTube videos, random strategies here and there, and you're just going to end up losing more money. I heard someone say the other day that the price for lack of knowledge is more expensive than education itself. You want to pause and think about that, because if you spend $500, $1,000 funding your account or buying a prop firm, and you lack what it takes to actually pass it, and you even end up relying on signals, and you end up losing, guess what? You end up going to buy again, but think about it. Some education costs as low as $200, $100, $350, $500, depending on the person that you want to learn from. Make sure to just take that pain and get the education right. That is the first step. The second is to put yourself in a community. It's really important, because you can have the skill set, but if you don't have the like-minded people to actually relate with, that is where you are going to flop. Because if you don't have a community of people that have the mindset as you, are going together with the mindset that, hey, this year I'm doing it no matter what, I'm passing my profit to share your ideas with, guy, you're definitely going to be losing. And the third step, you really want to take action. There's a saying that fortune favors the bold. And I'm being honest with you. You can have the education, you can have the community, but if you are not ready to put what you've learned into practice, then you are never going to see results. So after taking that education, after having the right community, it's time to put into work what you've learned. From discipline to everything, it's time to put it in. So you're telling yourself that, hey, I'm going to fund this amount of money. I'm going to be consistent with my trades. I'm not going to be over trading. I'm not just going to be entering huge lot sizes and try to scalp the market. I'm not going to be over trading. Set some rules for yourselves. And as you follow the rules, profit becomes a byproduct. In the forex market, you don't want to be chasing profit. You want to be following rules, and rules will bring profit. I remember somewhere last year, 2025, I thought I had it all figured out. I was, at some point in my trading journey, I tried like over risking, doing a whole couple of things, and the market really humbled me. That made me aware that, listen, the fact that you have the skill does not necessarily mean that when you take the risk, the market will go your way. Always. Sometimes the market will, but out of how many times will the market really favor you? That is not a lifestyle to live. The whole idea about being a trader is being able to consistently live on the gains that the market gives you. So it doesn't matter how big or how small it is, as far as you are consistent, that's what makes you a trader. So now, if you're interested in actually learning how to trade from me and learning the right way, it's very simple. You can message me on Telegram right over here, and I'll attend to you. Also, there's something I want to do in 2026. That is, I want to start live trading with the whole community. It's going to be very simple. It is going to be free. All you need to do is to go to live trade with MarketGod bot. So for the purposes of this video, let's just dump right into my phone and let me show you exactly how it's going to be. All right, guys, very simple. All you need to do is to come to live trade with MarketGod bot. And it's going to appear here. Okay, I made a mistake right over here. And then you click on this. All right, you can, if a button doesn't come for you, you can just click on start this way, and then it's going to tell you join MarketGod free VIP group. And as you guys can see, this bot helps you to join Aram's free VIP trading group and verify your EXNESS account connection. So you just click on join MarketGod, and then you want to follow which criteria best fits you. All right. So right over here, you can see that I already have an EXNESS account under Aram. I have an EXNESS account but it's not under ARAM. Then you say I don't have an EXNESS account, and then in case you don't use EXNESS, then you would have to pay for access to the VIP. Now, if you say I already have an EXNESS account but not under ARAM, it's very simple. All you need to do is to click on the second option. And when you click on the second option, it's going to give you a couple of rules to follow. The first rule says that to connect your existing account under ARAM's partnership, follow the steps. So you need to go to the EXNESS personal area, right? And I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually do that. You're going to go to the EXNESS personal area. You're going to click on the chat icon. You're going to type partner change, and you're going to fill out all the forms. All right, guys. So all you need to do is to open up your EXNESS personal area. Now, this whole screen is your EXNESS personal area. You want to click on the hamburger icon over here and scroll all the way to support hub. Then you want to scroll down all the way to live chat and click on start. So the chat engines are going to warm up, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to come over here and type partner change, and then you send it. Once it's being sent, you're going to wait for a while, and then the automated response is going to release a link for you. So as you guys can see, you're going to click on this link right over here, and it's going to take you, oops, it looks like there was an error. Good. So right over here is going to ask you for partner change. Now it says to process the partner change request, you need to provide the information below. So you want to select the reason, and over here you want to choose education. The reason is because on the live trading, we are not just going to be doing trading signals. It's going to be more of education. As we are trading, I'm going to be teaching you guys why I'm taking the trade and a whole couple of that. Now over here, new partners link or wallet account. What you're going to do is you're going to come into that particular message on Telegram. Right over here, you're going to copy this link, and then you're going to paste it right over here. And then they're going to ask you, where did you find this new partner? You can just write Instagram or YouTube or wherever. So over here, you found me on YouTube. And then right over here, you leave a comment. You can just say thank you. As simple as that. You click on submit. Then they're going to verify if this is really you. A code is going to be sent into your account, and as easy as it is, you're going to get verified. Once you're done, you're going to go into the bot and click on I've completed partner change. Once you click on I've completed partner change, now it says that it's time to verify. So you're going to now use the email that you use for verification. So in this case, I'm going to be using this email. And just like that, it says that we couldn't confirm your account under ARAM yet. So if you have not registered under my EXNESS partnership link, you are not going to have access, and you're going to be missing out. So the earlier you do it, the better it is for you. So I can't wait to see you guys in the live trading group. And of course, if you want access to my VIP group where we call out trades every single day, you want that fastness so you can pass your goals quickly, it's very simple. All you need to do is go to Pay MarketGod bot on Telegram, and then subscribe through any of the means possible. I can't wait to see you guys. Let's build together. Let's win together. Do it right with the MarketGod, the most authentic name in trading gold. See you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace out.